Hello, I'm Queenie Aquino from BizIT Chile. So in this video, I'm going to answer or demonstrate the course output subnetting of network. We're going to demonstrate the how to derive the VLSM subnetting table and the addressing scheme of the given network diagram. So here we have a VLSM subnetting table. So we have a number of hosts, network address, CIDR, data, first usable IP address, last usable IP address, and the broadcast address. So first is the number of hosts. We're going to list the highest to lowest. So here is the highest is 900. Next is 765. 765. Next is 350. Next is 150, 125, and 50. For the three routers, we're going to put the number 3, 2, and 2. So our next step is we're going to find the CIDR and theta. So we're going to use the subnetting table. That so here's the subnetting table. So we're going to find the kung saan sasakto yung 900. So sakto siya sa slash 22. And then the theta is 0.0.4.0. Then 765, pasok pa rin siya sa slash 22. So same theta. So in 350 is slash 23. 0.0.1.0. And 150 slash 24, 100, oops, slash 23, 2. And here is 0. At 1, that's 0. And 125, nasa slash 25 siya. Kasi pasok siya sa 126 sa slash 25. And theta niya is 100, that 128. So next is 50 slash 26. Theta is 0.0.0.64. So first 2, number of hosts is slash 30. Same theta is 0.0.0.4. Same as router 2 slash 30. Same as router 3 slash 30. So after that, going to find the network address. So here in the given network diagram, we have network address 192.168.0.0, 192.168.0.0. So to find the next network address, we're going to add then theta in network address. So it's like 192, we're going to add the 4 in here. Second part. 4, that's 0. So for the next, we're going to add the 4 and 4. 192.168, that 4, that ups, it's 8. 0. Next is 192 that 268 plus 10 because 8 plus 2, 10. Next is 192 that 168 then 11 that's 0. Then next is 192 that 168 that 11 that 128. We had 128 in last part because nasa last siya. So next is 192. 11 plus 128 plus 64 is 192. Yep. So next is 192, 192, 168, 11, that 192 plus 4, 196. 192, 160, 168, that 11, that 196 plus 4, 200. So after the network address, going to first usable IP address. So in first usable address, we're just going to add 1 in network address. So I'm going to add 1 here. So 192 plus 168 plus 0 plus 1. Then 192, 168, 4, 1, 192 dot 168 dot 8 and 1. And 92 dot 168 dot 10 dot 1. 192, 168, 11, 1. 192, 168, 11, and then where I am 1, 2, 7, 9. So 192 dot 168 dash 11 dot 193. 68, 11, 197. 201. Yan. So after the first usable IP address, going to find the broadcast address. So in broadcast address, para makuha siya is magma-minus 1 tayo siya. Next or previous na network address. So bago nakuha to is naging 192.68.3.255. Yan. Because after this, magiging 192 na siya. That 168.4.0. After, before. So, after nyan, hanapin natin si last usable IP address niya. So, magma-minus 1 lang tayo sa broadcast address. So, 192.168.3.254. Nag-minus lang tayo. 192.7.255. Out here, 192.168.7.254. Here, minus So 10, 9, then 2, 168, 9, 255. So less usable IP address, 192, 168 plus 7 plus I plus 7. That's 7 dot 254. Next is 11 minus 1, 10. 92 minus 68 dot 10 dot 255. So in here is 192 minus 68 dot 10 dot 254. State to 9. After that, 192 dot 168 11 dot 102 7. Yan. 192, 168, 11, 126. So next is 192 dot 168 dot 11 dot 191. Less usable is 192, 168, 11, 190. Next is yung 192 dot 168 dot 11 dot 195. This is ups less usable 192, 168, 11, 190. 192 dot 168 dot 11 dot 199. Yep, 199. Next is 192 dot 160 dot 11 dot 198. So in this, we're going to add the address to data 200 plus 4, 204. We can do 168, 11, and 204. So, 203. Because it's minus 1. 192, that 168, that 11, that 202. So, tapos na natin yung VLSM submitting table. Going to label kung anong PC siya. Para for the next, in addressing scheme, we know kung alin dyan yung PC1 to PC6. So, 900 is PC1, ay PC6. PC6. PC6, 765 is PC1. Then, PC 350, PC2, PC2, PC4, 150. PC2, PC4, PC5, PC2, 4, 5. Then, PC3, 6. Then, the router 1, Okay. So we're going to insert the addressing scheme. Yan. So we have here a router 1. We have fast internet 0. Then fast internet 1. Then serial interface 0. Serial interface 1. Then copy. It's going to copy it because same lang naman din. Yan. So, next is the IP address, kung paano siya kuhanin. Paano siya kuhanin? Ito. Going to find the FA or the fast internet 0 connected sa PC2. So, for fast internet pala, we're going to use the so, sa fast internet pala, we're going to use the first usable IP address. Kapag all in devices is connected from the router, we're going to use the first usable IP address. So, FA space 350, copy natin. Paste na lang natin dyan para madali. Yan. So, next is yung subnet mask niya. Which is, babalik tayo sa VLSM subnetting table. 315/23 sa CIDR. /23. 255.255.254. So, subnet mask is 255.255.254 at 0. So, next, fast internet. 1 is fast internet 1 is PC5 125 125. CIDR niya is 525. 255 255 255 128 128 255 that 255 128. Kalimutan natin ang IP address niya. First usable 125. Yeah. So next, this is the tricky part, the serial interface part. So we're going to check the serial interface 0. It is DTE. So if DTE siya, kukuhanin natin IP address is the last usable or no, DTE, tama, last usable of connected niya. So, kuhanin natin last usable ni R2. Last usable of R2. Ay, no. O pala. Pag DTE, last usable niya. ni R1. So, if DC siya, we're going to use the first usable of its connected. Yep. So, sa serial interface 0 ng R1 is DTE siya. So less usable ng R1. Ito. Gano'n na natin dyan. Hanapin natin yung subnet niya. 255, 255, 255, 255, 252. So, serial interface 1 of router 1 is DCE. So, DCE siya. So, kukunin natin is yung first usable ni R1, R3. Yan. Same lang ng subnet mask. So, router 2, bus internet 0, PC1, first usable, then bus internet 1, PC4, up subnet mask muna. PC1 /22. 255, 255, 252. 255, yep. Next, bus internet 1, PC4. Copy na lang natin. Pag ito mahirapan. So, PC4 /24. Two five five, 255, and 255. Next is serial interface 0. So it's DCE. We're going to use the first usable of its connected, so R1. First usable ni R1. Up here. Then, so subnet mask is 255, 255, 255, 255, 252. Yep. Next is serial interface 1 or R2. It's DTE. So R2 less usable. Yan. So next is router 3. Bus internet 1 and 0 is PC6 900. Copy 192 160 0.1. Subnet mask /22. Next is bus internet 2. A1 is PC3. Subnet mask /26 192. serial interface 0, router 3. This is siya. So, first usable ni R2. Identified. So, serial interface 1 is DT. So, that's usable of router 3. Same subnet mask. 255, 155, 155, that 252. PC0? No, we don't have PC0, so I'm gonna just delete this entire column. Ah, row. Dapat pala. Yan. So, IP address of this one. Here we're going to use the last usable IP address because it's in devices is connected to router. We're going to use the so if all in devices is connected to router, we're going to use the IP address of last usable. So we're going to PC1. So, nag-indicate na tayo dito ng label. So, para madali. So, last usable niya. PC1. And just copy na lang. Then, piece. Yung subnet mask niya, /22. 5, 5, 0. So, in default gateway, going to use the first usable IP address. PC1. PC2. Last usable. Then, subnet mask /23. 254. That's 0. Then, subnet by default gateway, first usable, 192.168.8.1. So, next, basic 3. Last usable, 192.168.11.190. Yan. Then, subnet mask /26. 255.155.193. Port gateway is first usable. Copy natin. 192.168.11.192. So, next, PC4. IP address. Plus usable. 192.168.10.254. Subnet mask /24. 155.155.0. Default gateway is the first usable 192.168.0.10.1. So next is PC5. Plus usable again 192.168.11.126. Subnet mask /25. 255, 255, 255, 258. So, default gateway, first usable, 192.168.11.1. So, 26 less usable, 192.168.3.254. Subnet mask dash 22. 255, 255, 52. 255 dot 255 dot 252.0. Default gateway is the first usable. Yan. So we're done in our subnetting of network table. May subnetting tables. Yan. So we're done. Pwede na natin itong i-delete. Kasi patandaan na natin siya. So, that's it for the subnetting table and the addressing scheme.